Hey everybody, how you doing on this Thanksgiving? I spent the day washing this block. It's a Boss 302 1970 block, and I will show you the date code over here. There's all the information on 1970. This is the block that we were able to purchase to replace the Boss 302 service block over here that had a dropped valve in the cylinder, and it had messed up the cylinder a little bit, and we were facing a situation where we had to sleeve it or do something in that area in order to repair this 1971 service block, Boss 302 block. But we were lucky and found a 1970. And this customer's car is a 1970 Boss, so this is actually a better situation. And this is a fresh 30 over bore Boss 302 block, and we were just very, very fortunate to get it. So that means that since the drop valve in this block right here, I had to acquire a couple of pistons too, and Boss 302 pistons are not that easy to come by. But fortunately, the engine that we bought over here, this 1970 block, came with 6 TRW Boss 302 pistons. And I've got a couple of the replacements right here, and they're in pretty good condition. And so we're gonna use them. So we're basically back in shape. I just have to get the oil galley plugs put in this block, and the cam bearing tunnel plug. I'll have to knock new cam bearings in this block because it's just bare bones here. There's nothing in it right now. And you know, after I get all that done and the galleys changed and stuff like that, I'll just switch them from this block over here over to this block and put the plugs in this block. And there's a cam tunnel plug right there that's out. I'll have to put a new one in there. Once I get all that stuff done, I will be on the road to reassembling this short block. And I tell you what, I couldn't be more happy with the outcome here. This is not something that's easy to find, and it was just, I guess I can call this just a lucky thing, you know, being able to replace a service block in a 1970 Boss with an actual 1970 block. So this will be a good fit for it. Well, everybody out there, you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. And I'm probably just going to screw around here today and maybe fire up the 426 Hemi and run it for a while just for some entertainment value. All right, you guys have a good day.